In this video, I show you the best way to earn $100 per hour watching videos. This website is available worldwide, so anyone from anywhere in the world can really do this. You can receive your payments through PayPal, money or bank transfer, and any other payment method. This website has paid more than $6 million to its users, and this website has more than 3,000 reviews about Trustpilot. When you click on Trustpilot, you can read here the various reviews of all the people around the world who have already tried and used this website. This website is called superpay.me. Before you go to this website, I want to put this to you. Most of the people who go to this website thought that we can only make money by doing survey, but today's focus is not that. So I ask you to pay attention, because as I said before, most people go straight to this website and take survey that only earn them a few cents. And let me tell you, they end up spending a lot of time doing these annoying surveys. That's why I'm going to show you a better way to make money on this website. You can get a free $20 membership when you sign up today. All you have to do is click the membership free today button, and then you will be on the registration page where you fill in the required information. Once you create your account, you get $20 for free. What I like about this website is that they have very fast payouts. They payouts every 24 hours, and you can get your money via PayPal or bank transfer. This website also has a very low liquidity threshold. Today they have $1 currency. As you can see here, currently the first way to earn money is paid surveys. The second way is paid tests and offers. The third way is to watch videos, and the last way is to earn more money with the referral programs of a website. As usual, we will provide you with the best way to earn money on this website. I personally don't recommend taking the survey, but if you want to go ahead, for me the best way to earn money on this website is watching videos. What I like about watching videos on this website is that you can increase the number of videos you watch. This means you can watch more videos and earn more money instead of watching 1 minute's videos. We can watch videos 4 times faster and finish them much faster and watch more. If you watch videos on multiple devices or watch videos on multiple accounts, this is where you can earn more, because you don't need to watch videos. You can just run them in the background and do whatever else you want or need, and now you earn money just by doing this. Next, I want you to focus on referral programs, because when you look here, you can earn 25% of your performance income without having to do anything, just by referring other people. These people are actually already making money for you. This is where you can earn $100 without doing anything. It's incredible, because this website helps people all over the world to earn a lot of money online. And when you share this website on Facebook and other social media platforms, and when they take surveys, tests, and they do offers or watch videos, you can get commission from that too. So it's win-win situation. When you look right here, you will see that many people all over the world can cashing in on this website. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Now we are going to show you how to get referrals for free and on full autopilot. I want you to go to beermoneyforum.com. This forum works very well because many people go to this website to learn how to make money online. And when superpay.me you refer them, they will love you because you just show them a way to make money online. So when they register in superpay.me and earn money, you also earn money. This community is very active and they have been here for years. And they increase their member every day. If you want to create a free account, just read on and click on this sign up button. Then enter the registration page and enter only the required information. When you log into your account, I want you to click on this market section. When you scroll down, you can see different posts from different people here. For example, when people click on the post, you can link directly to the website. Therefore, when people click on the link, they will be placed on the superpay.me website. This is one of the best effective ways to earn money. But one thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to do this every day or your account might get banned. Just make a post like this 3 times a week to keep your account safe. I will show you another forum where we can get free referrals. The website is called offshorecoretalk.com. By clicking the registration button here, you can register on this website for 100% free, so we can participate in some conversations. As usual, you can participate in online forums on this website to earn money. There are many people who go to this website looking for opportunities to make money. To you, my subscribers, I ask that you work hard and work smart. In this forum, unlike the previous forum, you can post multiple times per day, which is amazing. Even when you stop doing this, you can still earn because your link is still active on community site. And this is a very good way to earn money online and automatically. So you can earn money using this method.